Introducing the world's first omnidirectional underwater drone. FIFISH V6 leverages its patented smart thruster array that fully unleashes the user's creativity to explore and film without limits. The V6 can also rotate in 360-degree flips, rolls, and pivots. Its innovative posture lock function allows the user to perform a combination of movements while locked in a particular angle. Equipped with an all-innovative stabilization system, FIFISH V6 is the ultimate underwater drone. Integrated with all new VR functions and FIFISH's head tracking mode, put yourself into the first-person view of the drone and control what you want to see simply by turning your head. FIFISH V6 delivers a 166-degree wide-angle field of view, paired with 4K UHD image quality, enhancing the colorful and vivid details of the aquatic world. Geared with 4,000 lumen LED lights, FIFISH V6 brings you remarkably vibrant underwater content with different levels of adjustable brightness. Our integrated app allows you to share stunning underwater content across multiple display and social media platforms in real time. The HDMI input from the controller can be used for live streaming activities on various platforms. FIFISH V6 is equipped with an advanced sonar system used for the mapping of sea floors. The V6 is built to handle a wide range of applications ranging from industrial tasks such as safety inspections and aquatic farming, or commercial uses such as filming and photography. Trust the V6 to perform these activities with ease and excellence. From professionals to enthusiasts, FIFISH V6 gives you the eye to explore the aquatic world with endless potential and possibilities. FIFISH V6. Escape to the ocean.
world's smallest and easiest aerial camera ever made. Capture HD photos and videos never before possible. Then share them like magic right from the app. It's like having a personal photographer in your pocket. Take it everywhere and put away the selfie sticks forever. AirPix works with just one touch. It will fly, frame, snap, and return, all by itself. So cool and so easy. If you want more control, just use the in-app joystick. You can also turn on 360 mode to automatically take pictures all around. And it will follow your face for the perfect picture. You can even control it with gestures. In the app, customize your pics and then post them instantly to your favorite social stream. You can even live stream real-time adventures from the air. Wowing your friends and followers has never been this easy, and it's packed with features like Italian design, 12 megapixel photos, HD video, 60-foot range, 6+ minutes of flight time, and smooth air flight stabilization. Welcome to the future of personal photography. Choose the better way to selfie with AirPix, the world's smallest, easiest, and coolest aerial camera ever made. AirPix by Air Selfie.
What if everything you know about keeping your healthy diet packable is wrong? Not truly modular, nor ergonomic, nor cool, just plain wrong. Eating healthy shouldn't be hard work. Meet FOLDEAT, the lunchbox that unfolds into an eating mat. So you can serve your meal anytime, anywhere. Just pull one zipper and you'll have your table set no matter where you are. At the office, in the park, or a romantic dinner. We'd rather have you not eat like this. One significant advantage of FOLDEAT is its ability to be, spell it with us, modular. A regular day at work, pack it small and make it compact. Just 1 or maybe 2 containers. Bulking up for the gym, maybe 3 will suit your needs. Long day ahead, easily pack up to 4. And, of course, you can carry it or not carry it. Plus, the mat is reversible, so you have 2 styles in one. An insulation layer inserted between the faces keeps the temperature steady. Magnetic bands hold the dips and cutlery in place. And when things get messy, simply throw it in the washing machine. Now, let's talk containers. We don't believe in awkward shapes. We design them to be fair and square. 6.5 wide by 2 inches tall, so you can fit them for less, for more, and for all. Liquids? When it comes to liquids, there is nothing safer than a screw cap. That's why we have a container just for that, with extra foam installation. Because your support is essential for us at this stage, all Kickstarter backers will have a free liquid container included. But wait, there's more. Containers come with a food separator so you can easily portion your meals. When needed, custom gel packs fit between containers, cooling both of them. FOLDEAT's holding ring can keep you entertained. So yes, FOLDEAT has it all. Packing and eating on the go will be so simple, you'll even be able to keep up with your New Year's resolution diet. Back FOLDEAT now and make it your essential tool for a healthier lifestyle.